Okay, I have a 2009 Honda Accord. I'm gonna remove this whole radio. The radio goes all the way through here. This is another part. To remove the radio, I have two bolts in here and two bolts over here. Two bolts underneath the radio. I gotta remove this cancel over here. Remove this string. Remove all this. All this has to come off to be able to get to the two bolts underneath the dashboard. Go ahead and pull it up and let's go. remove the factory radio. I wanted to put a new look on the radio system. I'm trying a few things over here just to show you how the touch sensibility is on the screen. It's super fast. I did not show how to connect, how to plug, because everything is already made for this car. So all the plugs, they're all match. So it's basically there's nothing to show there. You just connect and play. There's a few little things, like I already got a backup camera on this car, so I had to modify all that, and that's probably it's what it's going to take me a little bit, because I have to run new wireless on it. I got a wireless receiving, and that's what I'm using. So I have to get energy for those two. I gotta get positive, negative for the receiving to work, so the camera can send the signal from the back. And besides that, everything seems to work okay. So I'm gonna put the radio back together and show you the result. Okay, I got everything put it back together. I got my original screen on the bottom. It comes with all the cables, extension cord that I can put that one on the bottom. So you can see I'm using the air to the passenger side and moving to the driver's side. So it's displaying everything on the original screen. So the 10.1 inch screen is taking place where the old one used to be. And that's the way it looks awesome, man. All right, that was it.